What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is your boy Ramon coming to you live from Ramon Crocodilians Productions. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing the part 2 to my online Mechagodzilla and Godzilla vs. Kong action figure video. Like this video is going to talk about more of the technical side to Mechagodzilla, like his appearance, for example. The reason why I say I don't think that was Mechagodzilla attacking the aircraft carriers that Kong was on is because look at his dorsal plates. Mechagodzilla is a giant robot version of Godzilla. Yeah, I love his hands. I love the end of his tail. And one thing I didn't talk about in my video yesterday was his eyes. Can't really see his eyes too good, but his eyes were like reddish. Yeah, he's gonna be interesting. I definitely can't wait to pick him up. This the 6-inch figure right here. I can't wait to get the giant Mechagodzilla. I think I might be talking about the giant, the 11-inch Mechagodzilla. Yeah, he's gonna be fascinating. I can't wait to get him. And that go to Heave, of what came also with the Skullcrawler. And this was on Instagram, according to Kaiju News Outlet. They revealed the 6-inch Mechagodzilla figure that been released by Walmart. It's gonna be fascinating. I love his appearance. I can't wait to see. Sorry about that. I can't wait to see how his roar is gonna be effective in the combat, cause he could spit out, like, from his hands he could shoot out missiles. And I know he goes into like a rage, a red atomic breath rage, like Godzilla does with his blue atomic breath. So it's gonna be fascinating. Yep. And whoever been disliking my other videos, that's cool. I appreciate the support, and I'm gonna keep on shining until I can't shine no more. So for the haters that's been hating on my videos recently, keep hating. I'm gonna keep on shining. It's time to reach 1 mil of subscribers. It's a journey. And I look forward to seeing Godzilla vs. Kong in the next couple of weeks. Which is, according to today, we have, I believe, 18 more days, which ain't too bad. We've been waiting, you could say, about 6 years for this movie. That's when it was announced in like late October of 2015. That's when they announced this movie was gonna get made. So I look forward to it. So yep, definitely can't wait. So yep, let me know what y'all think about the Mechagodzilla, about my second awesome Mechagodzilla online toy review. And once I get them, it's game over. I may not do a review on them. I don't know. I might do a review on the 6-inch figure, and then in the box, and then when I get the 11-inch action Mechagodzilla action figure. I might take him out the box and let y'all see how he look. But yup, it's gonna be tight. I can't wait to get him. He looks like a savage already, and the movie didn't even come out. So I love this picture of him, even if it's the 6-inch action figure according to Kaiju News Outlet. He looks tight. Yep. Can't wait. But it looks like on this picture, it looks like his eyes is not red. Yeah, I was talking about the 11-inch Mechagodzilla. It's tight. But yep, surprise. I wanted to do another video for y'all. Since I don't make videos on Saturday too often. I wanted this. Today was an awesome day. Just wanted to put it out for y'all. Let me know what y'all think. For those who haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Y'all don't want to miss what's coming. I got a big video coming soon. My Godzilla vs. Kong video coming real soon. So stay tuned. And spoiler alert, I'm not going to have humans in it. Y'all just going to have to see how I'm going to do it. But it's going to be tight. So stay tuned. And I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Adios.